Hey you, and welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how you can find when you joined Instagram. It's very nice to see that because sometimes you are asking yourself, dude, when did I join Instagram? So today I will show you that how it works. It's very easy. This is your timeline, and then we go to our profile. You will see this. Type on the three stripes in the top, and if we scroll down, you will see about. If we tap on about and we go to about your account, you will see that I joined my Instagram account on March 2024. This is how you can see when you joined Instagram. It's very nice to see, so please check it out and let me know in the comments when you joined Instagram. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully it was useful and have a wonderful day.